So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the first part in a series that hopefully you guys will enjoy. We are building a race car. Yay! Now, this is also something that's been in the works for quite some time. As you guys know, we have good old War Wagon here, and we're not planning on selling her or getting rid of her. I do have a plan. Just stay tuned for that. But we've also decided for some time that we've wanted to build a new dirt race car. We weren't really sure what kind of class we wanted to go with. After some talking and looking at rule packages, we've decided that we're going to race Thunder Bombers, at least with the new car. Now, as far as this car goes, plans are still on this year for racing at East Lincoln in the Renegade division. We're also planning on a couple of tour days to go drive at different tracks around the southeast region. And we'll release those as soon as we get closer to the start of the season. But the motor's off at 3D Racing Engines, getting rebuilt, gone through and whatnot. Once we get that back, that car will pretty much be ready to go. And right on cue is Joey Hinkle. So Josephine is here now to help me go get this car. We're going to go pick it up from our chassis builder, and from my understanding, it's still like pretty much right off the street. We're going to tear it down completely, and then we're going to send it back to him so he can put the cage in and whatnot. We're going to try to give him a hand with building the chassis, and we want to be involved with pretty much everything in this car, or as much as we can be with our means. This is also a series that's not really going to be like every week or so. We're only going to film when we work on the car and when we make progress on the car, just to kind of keep it interesting and whatnot. But we're going to be working on it throughout the year. Hopefully we can have it done by 2021. It's still kind of a push for that, especially trying to get like a motor and everything for that car. But 3D Racing Engines is going to help us out with that. So once we get the Thunder Bomber built, that'll be our weekly car. And this car, we're going to tear it all the way down to the chassis, probably sandblast it, paint it, powder coat it, whatever, rebuild it, and convert that to maybe like a Durance Lane car. And then we can travel with this car, and, you know, we'll have our weekly car and whatnot. But this has been in the works for a long time, guys. We are super, super excited about this. It's a brand new car.
It's going to be fun.
It's going to be, well, it's probably going to be a nightmare and expensive. But Tomcat Performance is helping us out big time on this car as well. So we want to say a quick shout out to Carolina Racing Supply and Tomcat Performance for making this video series possible. But with that, guys, we're going to go ahead, hit the road. We're going to go get the car, and we're going to bring it back home.
I don't care. I'm just happy with the race car. Okay, guys, so it's one of these cars.
Here. Oh, I see what.
Just want it completely good.
Is there anything you want as far as?
Just rolling back with the wheels of time. Maybe got a couple tires. Everything else can come out of it. Like I said, I'll cut them. And we get close. As soon as that thing starts going down, it gets going. Yeah.
Man, I like the garbage bag. No power steering.
All the power you put into it.
Manual power.
There we go.
Stop slamming the door.
This is the first time I've ever had a cow hood. The lights work. I was hoping it came with the rims too.
Wave, Andrew.
Straighten it up a little bit. I have. Oh. So you wouldn't see that.
Hey, the windows are tinted.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, I like these mirrors. I like this thing, man. It has LEDs in it.
climb out the window, race car driver.
Oh, that worked beautifully.
John, I think he wants to keep the door where it'll open.
Okay, make it easier. Put a flap on the top.
That was fun. Yeah, have you opened the trunk yet?
Yeah, there's nothing in it.
Dang.
We opened to see if it's a spare tire in there when we was putting tires on. But
Yeah.
it doesn't matter.
Well, they go. All right, so we got the car loaded up. We are now headed back toward the house.
Yeah.
There's Braxton. There's Andrew. And Kimberly.
Yeah. We've got our pitmobile.
See a little bit of it back there.
Look this way.
All right, we'll see y'all soon.
All right, guys, so we actually ran out of daylight last night. We couldn't really show you guys much of the car because by the time we got home it was dark. But we're gonna go ahead and get the car unloaded, get it back on the ground, and we'll kind of look through it, see if we find anything interesting. Joey's here helping me this morning, so we'll go ahead and get unloaded. So, in order for us not to crawl on the ground, we had to get the hood off, but the hood was stuck. So we just broke the lash to get it off. Should have been recording, but I didn't think about it. So now we can get the rest of the way off the trailer. Yeah, this is what we got. Old, well, here it is. It's kind of hard to see it. The old Cutlass Supreme. Joey actually came up with a name last night. What was it?
The Cutthroat Cutlass.
The Cutthroat Cutlass. I like it. So it's been sitting for like a year. A few years, you know. But overall, it's pretty good shape, and we really needed like a firewall floor pan plus a chassis to build another car as well. Has it got any brake fluid?
Damn right it does.
How nasty is it?
Is it supposed to be that color? Yep.
Oh, so anyways, this is it, guys. This is our new race car, the Cutthroat Cutlass. So we saw this in here last night, but look at this nice, yummy, dusty, moldy
You sure
pillow.
you're sitting in here and then getting in your truck?
Oh, it's a little nasty. Here you go. Here's your pillow.
Hey, my pillow.
At one point, this car actually had LEDs in it. That's cool, I guess.
They got the speaker wires over there at the door.
What?
The big blue wire running.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's broken, but hey, look, more LEDs. Bet you this thing had an awesome underglow.
Not sure what that is.
Pretty sure that's a dirt dauber. Oh, and actually we kind of already found it, but look at this lovely comb. Do you see any lice on there?
No.
You want it?
You
need a mustache? Do you need a mustache comb?
Nah.
Okay, well it's ugh. So they got ashtrays in the back that I just accidentally ripped out, so that's pretty cool. You find anything over there?
Some leaves. That's about it.
Be careful.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to like vacuum this thing out. I mean, we're planning on ripping all this carpet and everything out of here too. Yeah. Trying to open it with
So Andrew found a receipt.
tearing it.
It's probably a little old.
Oh shit. There's a receipt. I can't read anything. They spent $20 on fuel.
Ah.
And they were at pump 10. So I was gonna say like where it was, like where the car came from, but oh my god, that's so nasty.
We have
Winter Fresh,
another cone.
little moldy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at this. That's a knife.
Ah.
We've had blood on it.
It's got something on it.
Dang, the heck of a knife. What else you got over there?
I got a domino, an ink pen, some shells off of acorns.
What is this?
That is
That's an auxiliary cord. We can listen
Yes.
to our tunes.
Yes.
There's nothing to plug it into though. It's all broke.
So apparently whoever had this car's name was Scott. And the trunk is open.
Yeah, there is nothing in it. Thank God. I didn't want to find like a body or something.
A water bottle and a rag.
Gaskets. That almost looks like a gasket for like a distributor or something. Bunch of screws. Oh, yummy.
A happy rag.
Oh, why did you say happy rag? Oh no. So guys, that kind of concludes us just messing around with the vehicle, seeing what's in it. It still got the exhaust system, as a matter of fact, so that's pretty cool. But, do what?
Flowmasters.
Flowmasters.
Yeah, they're still under.
So, anyways,
Sorry.
did you break the door? So anyways guys, I think that's pretty much going to do it for this video here. We're very excited about this project. The next part, probably a couple of parts, will be us tearing and stripping this car all the way down. And once we do that, we'll be able to send it back to our chassis builder, John Klein Race Cars, and get us a good chassis and start building a race car from there. So yeah, with that, I'm going to say a quick shout out to our Patreon supporters. Thank you guys so much for what you do and for what you continue to do. If you want to support 3-0 Racing, I will leave a link up here in the corner for you guys to do that. And thank you in advance if you decide to, but no pressure. So anyways, we also want to say a shout out to our sponsors, Carolina Racing Supply, for making these videos possible. And they're going to be helping us with this project here. Not just this one, but also the other car over there. So yeah, with that guys, we're going to go ahead and end the video here. So thank you so much for watching the video, and as always, we will see you in the next video.